Hello everyone. There was a saying that we are used to hearing from dentists in the past. This tooth is very decayed. Filling cannot be done because it follows. Let's better remove this tooth. Of course, whether the filling can hold on to the tooth depends on the shape and size of decay. As the decay becomes too large, the loss of substance in the tooth increases. As the loss of substance increases, there is usually no structure left in the tooth to retain the filling. Silver amalgam filling is technically a form of filling placed by squeezing into the tooth. For this, the intact part of the tooth had to be wide and large to hold the filling. When the dentist thinks that a filling cannot be made in very big and large decayed tooth, he thinks of removing the tooth. Since there have been great technological advances and developments in the properties of composite materials over the years, we have started to make white fillings in the back teeth. Since white fillings do not need to be pressed into the tooth like amalgam fillings, they could hold on to any tooth surface at a microscopic level. The working time of amalgam fillings on the tooth is not too long, but the dentist can do white fillings modeling until it obtains the desired shape. Then, when the dentist is sure of working, he hardens the white filling by applying blue light. Even if there is a lot of material loss due to caries or fractures in the tooth, the dentist will be able to make the desired restorations by taking advantage of the adhesion advantages of white fillings. Since the dentist can use various screws and fiber stick in root canal treatment teeth, dentists will be able to make large restorations with composite materials easily. Today, the dentist will be able to make the composite restorations that want in case of any material loss that may occur in the teeth. The main subject of this video is to be able to make any kind of restorations we want with composite materials in case of large loss of material in the teeth due to caries or fractures. We have works that will set an example for major restorations on our YouTube channel. Even if the visible part of the tooth in our mouth is lost due to caries or fractures, it's possible to perform a composite crown restorations with direct technique of the root part remaining in the bone is intact and without abscess. We can usually restore the roots with composite materials after root canal treatments as a natural implant. This point is very important. Tooth roots are very useful just like a natural implant. Instead of removing the root of the tooth and placing an implant in its place, the root is already ready in place like a natural implant. Thus, it seems much more logical to make teeth on the root of the tooth instead of making teeth on the implant. Being able to make composite restorations with direct techniques on a tooth root is actually very uplifting for both our patients and dentists. I believe that the dentist will consider making composite restorations on the tooth roots instead of extracting them, just like me. We have come to the end of this video. Let's not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in our next video.